lesson we learned it, but the denominators was the same. This lesson, the denominator are not going to be the same. They're going to be different. So this is how we do it. I'll take a number here. Now we'll write 1 by 2 here plus 1 by 3. Okay? So what you want to do here is you have to multiply 2 and 3. So you will get 6. Then you have to cross multiply 1 multiplied by 3 and 1 multiplied by 2. So we'll write 3 plus 2 here. Now next we'll write 6 here and 3 plus 2 is 5. So we'll write 5 here. We got the answer. The answer is 5 by 6. Now we'll try another example. We'll take 1 by 4 plus 2 by 3. Okay? As usual, we multiply these two. So 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So we'll write 12 here and then we'll cross multiply this. And so 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. Okay? And 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Okay, so now we need to plus this and write the 12 here. So 3 plus 8 is 11. So we'll write 11 here. And we got the answer. It's 11 by 12. It's easy to learn. Friends, I hope you understand this method. Subscribe and smash that like button.